Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. My name is Iman Fakar. Today the topic of my presentation is Industrial 6. Presentation outline introduction features of Industrial 6 core technologies circular economy applications of Industrial 6 future outlook of Industrial 6 challenges and risk of Industrial 6 net zero trash in Industrial 6 conclusion and last references. Now we will start introduction of Industrial 6. Industrial 6, also known as 6th Industrial Revolution, represents the next phase of global industrial evolution. It a future where humans, artificial intelligence, quantum technologies, and sustainable systems work in complete harmony to create self-evolving, intelligent, and regenerative industries. Unlike previous revolutions focused mainly on automation and connectivity, Industrial 6 emphasizes human-centered innovation, environmental sustainability, integration of advanced AI, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and quantum computing. It aims to build an ecosystem where machines not only execute tasks but learn, adapt, and collaborate intelligently with humans to improve productivity, creativity, and societal well-being. Evolution from Industry 1 to 6. Industrial Revolution 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 period. Late 18th century, late 19th century, 1917s, early 21st century. Key technologies steam engines, mechanization, electricity, mass production, assembly lines, computers, automation, electronics, cyber physical systems, big data. Main focus mechanized production, efficiency and mass manufacturing, automation and digital control, smart and connected factories. Industrial 5 2020 Human Robot Collaboration, AI Ethics, Personalization, Human Centric Manufacturing and Sustainability. Industrial 6 Future 2030s onward, quantum AI, nanotech biomanufacturing, metaverse industry, intelligent autonomous and regenerative systems. Key features and concept of Industrial 6. Industrial 6 induces a transformative vision where advanced technologies and human intelligence combine to create autonomous, sustainable, and self-evolving industry ecosystem. The revolution goes beyond automation, focusing on intelligence, adaptability, and ecological balance. Hyper-automation and intelligent system. Hyper-automation refers to the next level of automation where multiple advanced technologies such as AI, machine learning, robotic process automation, and digital twins work together to automate complex tasks across every layer of an organization. Key aspects include end-to-end automation of production and decision-making processes, self-learning systems that adapt to real-time data and optimize performance, predictive maintenance using AI to prevent downtime and reduce costs. These intelligent systems minimize human error, enhance efficiency, and allow factories to function with real-time adaptability and near-zero waste. Quantum computing integration. Quantum computing is expected to be one of the core enablers of Industrial 6 by processing information using quantum bits. These ecosystems can perform calculations millions of times faster than classical computers. Applications in Industrial 6 include optimization of complex industrial systems, supply chains, logistics, and energy grids. Real-time data analysis for massive data sets in manufacturing. Quantum AI for accelerated machine learning and innovation. Advanced material discovery and molecular simulation for sustainable production. Quantum computing will revolutionize how industries handle complexity, making production faster, smarter, and more adaptive. Human AI and collaboration. Industrial 6 refers the relationship between humans, machines, and AI. Instead of replacing humans, technology become an intelligent collaborator that enhances human creativity, safety, and decision making. Key characteristics cobots, collaborative robots that work safely alongside humans. AI assistants that support workers in design, analysis, and maintenance. Brain computer interfaces enabling direct communication between humans and machines. skill augmentation rather than the replacement, improving workers with digital intelligence. These synergistic collaboration result in a workplace where humans lead creative and strategic roles with AI-driven machines handle repetitive or hazardous tasks. Sustainable and regenerative manufacturing. Sustainability is at the heart of industrial six. The goal is not only to minimize environmental harm but also regenerate and restore ecosystems through intelligent production systems. Core elements include circular economy models that reuse and recycle materials effectively, zero waste manufacturing enabled by precision AI control, green energy integration through solar, hydrogen, and smart grids, biomanufacturing and nanotechnology for eco-friendly materials and processes. Next, core technologies in Industrial 6. Industrial 6 relies on a convergence of cutting-edge digital, physical, and biological technologies. These innovations form the foundation of a fully connected, intelligent, and sustainable industrial ecosystem. The following are the core technologies that drive this new revolution: artificial intelligence and machine learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the central pillars of Industrial 6. They enable machines to analyze data, learn autonomously, and making intelligent decisions without human intervention. Key applications: predictive analytics for equipment maintenance and production optimization, AI-driven quality control using computer vision, autonomous decision making in logistics, energy, and manufacturing, self-learning industrial systems that adapt change in demand or environment. AI in Industry 6.0 in context award, meaning it not only reacts to data but also understands partners, intentions, and outcomes, enabling smart, self-evolving operations. Quantum Internet and Communication. The quantum internet represents the future of ultra-secure, high-speed communication networks. It uses the principles of quantum entanglement to transmit information instantly and securely between connected devices. Key features and uses: unhackable communication through quantum encryption, real time coordination of global smart factories, instant data transfer for connected AI systems and digital twins, collaboration between quantum computers for massive problem solving. These next generation networks will form the backbone of Industrial 6, enabling seamless data exchange and coordination across global industrial ecosystem. Advanced robotics and cobots. Advanced robotics and collaborative robots are designed to work intelligently alongside humans, enhancing productivity, safety, and flexibility in industrial environments. Key features: AI enhanced motion control and adaptive learning for precision tasks. Human robot collaboration through sensors and safety protocols. Swarm robotics where multiple robots coordinate tasks collectively. Self-repairing and self-configuring robots for minimal downtime. In Industrial 6, robots evolved from being tools of automation to become partners in innovation, capable of understanding human intent and adapting to complex environments. Nanotechnology and biotechnology. Nanotechnology and biotechnology merge in Industrial 6 to create bio-inspired, intelligent, and sustainable materials and systems. These technologies bridge the physical and biological worlds, revolutionizing manufacturing and materials science. Applications include nanomanufacturing for precision engineering at the atomic scale, biomanufacturing that using living organisms for production, smart materials that repair themselves or adapt to environmental changes, nanofluidic electronic devices for energy and biosensing applications. These convergence allows industries to produce eco-friendly, high-performance materials while reducing waste and environmental impact. Digital twins and metaverse applications. Digital twins and virtual replicates of physical systems or processes that mirror real world performance using real time data. When combined with the industrial metaverse, they enable immersive and interactive stimulation of factories, products, and environments. Key benefits and uses: real time monitoring and predictive maintenance, visual prototyping to reduce costs and time to market, immersive training through augmented and virtual reality AR over VR, cross industry collaboration in metaverse based industrial spaces. These technologies provide precedented visibility, control, and creativity, allowing industries to operate in both physical and virtual dimensions simultaneously. Benefits of Industrial 6. Industrial 6 brings a revolutionary transformation that only enhances industrial efficiency but also improves human life and environmental health. Through the field of artificial intelligence, quantum technology, biotechnology, and nanotechnology, it enables a hyper-intelligent, sustainable, and human-centric industrial framework. Enhance productivity and precision. Industrial 6 achieve a new standard of productivity by integrating AI-driven decision making, quantum optimization, and autonomous robotics. These technologies allow industries to operate with unmatched speed, accuracy, and flexibility. Key advantages include real-time data optimization, quantum AI analyze massive datasets instantly to improve workflow efficiency. Self-learning machine systems continually refine their performance through machine learning, leading to incremental gains in accuracy and throughput. Predictive and preventive maintenance. Intelligent sensors anticipate faults before they occur, minimizing downtime. Human machine synergy. Collaborative robots work safely with humans, increasing overall output and consistency. As a result, industries can deliver high quality products in less time while reducing operational costs and human errors. Zero waste manufacturing. Sustainability is a core principle of Industrial 6. The revolution introduced the concept of zero waste and regenerative manufacturing, where every process is optimized for environmental and preservative and resource circularity. Key elements: circular economy integration. Waste materials are reused, recycled, or transferred into valuable resources. Precision resource utilization. AI and nanotechnology ensure materials are used only in the required quantities. Energy efficiency, smart grids, and renewable energy sources reduce carbon emissions and optimize energy flow. Biomanufacturing and green chemistry, eco-friendly materials and processes replace toxic industrial practices. By closing the loop between production, consumption, and recycling, Industrial 6 helps achieve sustainable growth with minimal ecological impact. Human improved human well-being and creativity. Unlike previous industrial revolutions that prioritize efficiency over people, Industrial 6 is human-centric. It focuses on enhancing human creativity, safety, and quality of life through intelligent collaboration with machines and AI. Key benefits: safe and in ergonomic workplaces, robots handle dangerous or repetitive tasks, reducing human injury and fatigue. Skill enhancement through AI support. Workers gain new digital and creative competence supported by intelligent system. Human AI co-creation machines act as a creative partners helping design, innovative and solve complex challenges. Work-life balance and mental well-being. Automation and AI reduce workload stress allowing human to focus on meaningful and innovative work. This new industrial paradigm redefines productivity not as a pure output but as a harmonious development of human potential, innovation, and satisfaction. Industrial 6 would support hyper-connected industries, provide dynamic value work, dynamic supply chain, transparency in information flow all over the administrations, either internally or externally throughout the world. It would be the way of life with keeping the proper balance or mastering the economics of learnings. It promotes the human virtual digital twin where all can simultaneously see physiological goods and virtual product information, connect the manufacturing industries globally, and provide superior technical help, better understanding, and decision making. Artificial manufacturing will be predicted concept for this revolution where artificiality can be obtained through system flexible design. It depends on non-functional requirements where software systems are judged based on openness, usability, safety, movability, and other functions that create hurdles in attaining a software systems. In the coming years, the revolution would provide creative thinking, unique and innovative ideas in manufacturing and other fields, and enhance the protagonist characteristics of humans and machine core technologies in Industrial 6. Next, sustainability and circular economy in Industrial 6. Sustainability is a core value and guiding principle of Industrial 6. This new industrial revolution inventions an era where technologies, progress, and environmental preservation are not opposing goals but mutually reinforcing forces. Industrial 6 promotes a circular and regenerative economy where resources are continuously reused. Waste is minimized and production systems function in harmony with natural environment. In the context, AI, nanotechnology, biotechnology, and quantum computing serve as enablers of ecological intelligence, transforming industries into systems capable of self-monitoring, self-correcting, and self-sustaining behaviors that align with the global sustainability goals, such as UN Sustainable Development Goals and net zero carbon targets. Eco-intelligent system. Eco-intelligent system represent the integration of advanced digital technologies with environmental management and principles. These are smart adaptive industrial systems that can analyze their own environmental footprint, predict ecological impacts, and automatically adjust operations to minimize harm and maximize sustainability. Features and functions. Real-time environmental intelligence. Factories and production lines are embedded with IoT sensors and AI algorithms that continue to track parameters such as energy consumption, carbon emissions, air quality, and waste output. This real-time data enables industries to make dynamic adjustments and reduce pollution and optimize resource use. Closed loop and circular production. Instead of linear take dispose model, eco-intelligent systems follow a closed loop model where every output is treated as a valuable input for another process. For example, waste heat from one operation can power another system or discarded materials can be recycled into new components. Third, biometric and bioinspired designs. Industrial 6 draws inspiration from natural systems where everything operates in balance. Bioinspired materials and nanotechnologies mimic biological efficiency such as self-healing materials or nanofluidic electronics devices that regulate ion flow like living cells. Sustainability analytics and digital twins. Digital twin technology allows industries to stimulate environmental impacts before physical production. AI powered sustainability analytics assess the life cycle footprint of a product from design and manufacturing to recycling or disposal. Regenerative industries ecosystem. These systems don't just minimize harm, they actively restore ecosystems through carbon capture, renewable resource use, and waste upcycling feature. Some factories may operate as net positive systems, contributing energy or purified air back to the environment. In essence, eco-intelligent systems turn industries into living, learning ecosystems capable of evolving in response to both human and environmental needs. Green energy integration. Industrial 6 sustainability vision cannot be achieved without green and renewable energy systems. As industries become increasingly digital and autonomous, their energy demands rises significantly. To balance this, AI-driven energy optimization, quantum computing, and nanomaterial innovations enable efficient production, storage, and use of clean energy. Key components and strategies. Smart and autonomous energy grids. AI manage smart grids distribute energy dynamically based on real-time demand and supply. These grids connect renewable sources, solar, wind, geothermal, and bioenergy, ensuring consistent power with minimal waste. Quantum optimization for energy systems. Quantum algorithms enhance energy system management by solving complex optimization problems such as power distribution, grid stability, and energy storage efficiency, much faster than traditional computers. Integration of renewable energy sources. Industrial 6 promotes complete decarbonization by integrating renewable energy into every layer of production. Hydrogen fuel cells, solar photovoltaics, and advanced wind technologies are used to power automated systems and robotic networks. Nanotechnology in energy harvesting storage. Nanomaterials enable ultra-efficient solar panels, high-capacity batteries, and energy harvesting devices that can capture waste heat or motion energy from machines. These innovations reduce dependency on fossil fuels and make industrial energy use more sustainable. Circular energy system. Assess energy generated during production is stored and reused. AI coordinates multiple energy sources, renewable, stored and recycled to ensure zero energy waste and optimize consumption. Decentralized and resilient power networks. Industrial 6 promotes energy independence through microgrids and local renewable sources, reducing vulnerability to large-scale power disruptions. Through these advancements, Industrial 6 creates a foundation for carbon neutral, intelligent, and resistant industrial energy systems that support sustainable global growth. Next, the vision of Industrial 6. The vision of Industrial 6 towards sustainability. Industrial 6 is looking like a futuristic industry where its vision far broader than the remaining industrial revolutions which have up till now. This revolution will work to influence the industries toward changing the work culture of humans with the use of novel creativity of human beings associated with machines and advanced production systems in the highly cutting-edge digital technologies environmental. In this environment, humans can directly operate the machines using brain power, which would be enabled with the digital technologies and perceived resource competent and user-oriented manufacturing solutions. Compared to other industrial revolutions, the future industry focus on sustainability, homogeneous access, safety, resilience, anti-fragility, harmony with nature's co-working use of technologies and co-economy. Industrial 4 and Industrial 5 consist of promising cutting-edge technologies and applications accepted to assist the futuristic Industrial 6. Next, application of Industrial 6. Industrial 6 expand the possibilities of modern manufacturing and services by merging AI, quantum technologies, biotechnology, and nanotechnology into a single intelligent industrial ecosystem. Its application reach beyond the factory floor, transforming nearly every sector of human activity. Smart factories and autonomous production lines. Smart factories are the Industrial 6 they utilize AI-driven systems, digital twins, robotics, and the quantum internet to achieve total automation and adaptability in real time. Characteristics and functions. Autonomous decision making machines and AI agents can make real-time production and logistics decisions without human intervention. Hyper-automation. Entire production lines are managed by intelligent algorithms that monitor performance, predict failures, and optimize energy use. Self-healing system. Robots and machines equipped with sensors can detect and repair minor issues autonomously, minimizing downtime. Digital twin integration. Every physical process is mirrored visually to stimulate outcomes, improve designs, and ensure precision. These smart factories operate self-regulating ecosystems capable of producing goods with near zero defects, minimal waste, and optimal efficiency. Personalized and adaptive manufacturing. Industrial 6 move manufacturing from mass production to mass personalization. Using AI, biotechnology, and advanced robotics, industrial can produce its tailored to individual preferences, needs, and biological profiles. Applications include custom product design. AI interrupts customer behavior and preferences to create unique personalized designs. Adaptive production lines manufacturing systems can instantly adjust settings to create customized products without reprogramming or manual input. Biomanufacturing integration of biological materials and nanotechnology allows the creation of bioengineered products suited to the specific users. Digital fabrication and 4D printing. Products can adapt their shape or function over time based on environmental changes or user needs. These approaches lead to the flexible consumer centric industrial environment where efficiency and individuality coexist. Next, space industry, healthcare, and energy sectors. Industry 6 technologies are not limited to manufacturing, they also transformative impacts across the global sectors. Space industry. Autonomous spacecraft and robotic systems capable of independent exploration, maintenance, and resource extraction. Quantum communication for secure instant data exchange between Earth and space base. In space manufacturing using nanotechnology and 3D printing to build structures or repair satellites in orbit. Self-sustaining habitats powered by renewable energy and AI life support system. Healthcare. AI biotech fusion enabling personalized medicine, genetic therapy, and advanced diagnostics, nanorobotics for targeting during drug delivery and cellular repair, digital twins of patients to stimulate health conditions and test treatments safely, brain computer interferences enhancing human capabilities and rehabilitation. Energy sector. Smart energy grids managed by AI for optimized energy flow and minimal loss. Quantum computing for predicting energy demand and managing renewable sources efficiently. Nanomaterials for high efficiency solar panels and energy storage. Circular energy systems where waste energy is recycled and reused intelligently. These applications demonstrate that Industry 6 is not confined to factories but is reshaping the future of human civilization from healthcare and space exploration to sustainable global energy systems. Research objective of present work Industrial 6 is a futuristic concept. If it is applied to industries, it will change the entire scenario of manufacturing world. The sole aim of Industrial 6 is to the new 123 sustainability of Industrial 6 in global perspective benefits. The vital assisting technologies in the evolution from Industrial 4 to Industrial 6 technologies which can be applied worldwide and deliver wealth prosperity away from the job and growth to the nation across all planetary boundaries and keep a man in the center and the machines around him. Industrial 6 is the complement to future industrial 5. These revolution would bring flexibility manufacturing world highly as per requirements of customers, stakeholders, shareholders, organization with the help of various digital technologies. Quantum computing, automatic robotic industries, which would be controlled by quantum radar, quantum electricity, could cloud electricity, planet thermal energy. These papers resolve around some research questions. Question 1 to study the need of industrial 6. Question 2 find out the techniques which can find. Next challenges and risk of industrial 6. Industrial 6 promises a future of intelligent, sustainable, and human centered industries. It also introduces several challenges and risks. These concerns arise from the rapid integration of AI, quantum computing, biotechnology, and autonomous systems, which can create ethical, social, and security dilemmas if not properly managed. Ethical and data privacy concerns. As industries become increasingly data driven and AI dependent, ethical governance and data protection become critical issues. Key challenges include data ownership and misuse. The enormous data collected from smart factories, sensors, and human machine interactions can be misused without proper regulation. Algorithmic bias AI system may make unfair biased decisions if trained on incomplete reduced data sets. Lack of transparency. Many AI models, especially deep learning and quantum AI systems, operate as black boxes making it difficult to trace their decision-making logic. Bioethical issues. The use of biotechnology and nanotechnology in manufacturing or healthcare raises questions about genetic manipulation, consent, and long-term environmental factors. To address these issues, clear ethical frameworks, data governance laws, and AI transparency policies must accompany technology advancement. Work transformation and skills gap. Industrial 6 brings about a profound shift in the workforce landscape, demanding new digital and interdisciplinary skills. Major concerns job displacement. Routine and manual roles may decline as automation and AI to take over repetitive tasks. Skills mismatch. Their work may lack expertise in advanced fields such as AI engineering, quantum computing, and data analytics. Continuous learning requirements. Workers will need ongoing education and digital upskilling to stay relevant. Socioeconomic imbalance. Developing countries may struggle to adapt, widening the global technologies gap. To this risk, industries and governments must invest in human capital, promoting STEM education, digital literacy, and lifelong learning programs to prepare for a collaborative future between humans and machines. Technology dependency and cybersecurity. As industries evolve in hyper-connected ecosystems, they become increasingly dependent on digital infrastructures, which introduce cybersecurity vulnerabilities and system reliability risks. Key risks include cyber attacks on quantum and AI systems. Hackers could exploit industrial networks, leading to data theft, producing HARTs or national security threats. Quantum level vulnerabilities. While quantum computing enhances security, it can also break existing encryption method, making traditional data protection obsolete. System failures are AI errors. Over-reliance and autonomous decision-making could lead to severe consequences if systems malfunction or misinterpret data. Loss of human control. Excessive automation may reduce human oversight, leading to ethical and operational risks. Ensuring robust cybersecurity frameworks, quantum safe encryption, and human in the loop governance will be vital for maintaining trust and reliability in Industrial 6. Industrial things face challenges. Internet of Things, AI, additive manufacturing, autonomous robots, smart factory, simulation, system integration, cybersecurity, digital transformation, cloud computing, logistics for AR and VR, big data. Challenges in implementing Industrial 6. The dream of Industrial Revolution can only be attained by doing systematic work and collaborative effort of government and manufacturers toward the welfare of our society. This revolution wants a long-term commitment from the manufacturers, policy markets, stakeholders, and government mean to implement sustainable industry. In the organization, the implementation of this holistic approach can be proper research and development to position the realization of industrial production. During the execution of Industrial 6 could face many challenges such as digital transformation, difficulty in adopting new and advanced technologies, allocation of resources, industrial relevant technology, internationalization, industry collaboration, freedom on research and development, capital loss. Numerous people have been scared of losing their jobs due to complete automation in industries. So it is required while introducing any new industries revolution that the number of jobs should always be more than jobless. Otherwise, social unsatisfaction and negative impression could engender in society. These revolutions focus on providing virtualized anti-fragile manufacturing and anti-fragile services. It could concentrate on customer-centric, customer-focused ethos, super-connected industries with vibrant supply chain, automated flexibility, internal value networks where proper interactions with the organization are outside across the various nations and administrative areas. Industrial 6 is needed. During COVID-19 pandemic, the whole world suggests to meet customers' needs such as supplying goods, producing essential items, and maintaining services. These difficulties expose weakness in traditional manufacturing and supply chains. Because of these industries and organizations realize they must rethink how they operate, including how manufacture products, deliver services, communicate with customers, manage supply chains, and promote sustainability. The pandemic showed that industries must adopt digitalization, eco-friendly practices, and a circular economy where waste is minimized and materials are reused. Industrial transformation. If we look back to history, every industry revolution from Industry 1 to Industrial 5 has shown that industries have the power to adapt and evolve. They always find ways to overcome the crisis and improve production. And now, in this new age, industries again preparing to transfer this time focusing on climate change, digital governance, and flexible systems that can adapt quickly to global disruptions like pandemics or natural disasters. Industrial 6 and global resistance. Industrial 6 aims to create a world that is more resilient, sustainable, and safe. It will connect human societies with technology and the environment to build a balance between progress and nature. These means industries will emphasize robustness, ability to remain strong during crisis, safety, protecting workers' data and processes, sustainability, reducing environmental damage, resistance, recovering quickly from disruptions, anti-fragility, becoming stronger after facing challenges. Industrial 6 is not just about automation, it's about creating harmony between humans, machines, and the planet. Technology. Additive manufacturing 3D printing build part layer by layer with 3D models help make personalize our customer products easily. Artificial intelligence gives machines the ability to think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Autonomous robots that can work independently without constant human control. Quantum computing, super fast computers that can solve problems too complex for normal computers, improving supply chains, healthcare, and finance. Internet of Things connect machines and devices to share data, improve production and safety. Augmented virtual reality. Task manufacturing visualize, design, test virtual products and train workers safely. Digital transformation using data tools to improve whole industries work, make decisions and serve customers. Cybersecurity protects data, software and networks from hackers or theft. System integration links different departments, machines, and systems so they work together smoothly. Simulation creates digital models to test production systems before building them in real life. Smart factories, full connected automated factories that can make decisions and adapt in real time. Cybersecurity system. Systems that combine software, hardware, and sensors to control physical processes intelligently. Big data, large sets of data that help industries predict demand, maintain equipment, and improve strategy. Cloud computing using this internet to store and process data remotely allowing access from anything. Real life applications, healthcare, robots and AI systems can perform medical services with people human contact, reducing infection risk during pandemics. Elderly assistants, robots can help aging people at home. Medical research technologies like EEG, electrophylogram, and synthetic skin could stimulate human sensation to improve prosthetics and treatments. Quantum computing will transform business, healthcare, and manufacturing by solving problems faster than the traditional computers. What Industrial 6 represent? Industrial 6 is a fusion of Industry 4 and 5, combining advancement technologies with human creativity and sustainability. It focuses on human machine collaboration, not replacement, zero defect production, anti fragile and flexible manufacturing, sustainable development. It a world where humans, robots, and AI systems work together to make production efficient, personalized, and eco-friendly, improving both industry and quality life. Human-machine collaboration in Industrial 6. Human-machine collaboration lies the heart of Industrial 6, representing a shift from automation to co-creation between humans, artificial intelligence, and intelligent machine. Unlike previous industries revolution that focus on replacing human labor with machines, Industry 6 views machines as partners, working alongside humans to enhance creativity, decision making, and well-being. This promotes a human-centric approach where technology amplifies human capabilities rather than diminishing them. Evolution of human machine interaction. Industrial 1. Mechanization, human controlled simple machine tools. Industrial 2. Mass production, humans operated and supervised machinery. Industrial 6. 3. Automation, machines began to replace repetitive human tasks. Industrial 4. Smart automation, humans interacted with cyber physical systems. Industrial 5. Human centric collaboration, humans and robots share tasks safely. Industrial 6. Human AI machine synergy. Human AI and robots think, learn, and innovate together. Core concept. In Industrial 6, collaboration moves beyond simple cooperation to cognitive and emotional integration between humans and machines. Machines are not just tools, they are adaptive partners capable of understanding human internet emotions and contexts through AI and neurotechnologies. Key principle. Augmentation, not automation. Machine enhance human intelligence, creativity, and empathy rather than the replace them. Key technologies enabling human machine collaboration. Artificial intelligence enables contextual understanding and adaptive learning to assist humans in real time. Collaborative robots work safely behind humans, sharing tasks and require precision and strength. Brain computer interference allow direct communication between human neural activity and machines. Augmented reality and virtual reality create immersive interfaces for design, training, and supervision. Wearable and sensor technologies track health, fatigue, and performance to ensure work safely. Digital twins stimulate real-world systems to support collaborative decision making between humans and AI. Application in Industrial 6. Smart manufacturing. Humans and robots co-manufacture products with real-time AI support for customization and error production. Design. AI-assisted design to generate prototypes with humans focus on creativity and emotional appeal. Healthcare. Surgeons perform precise operation assisted by AI-driven robotic system and AR visualization. Maintenance and inspections. Drones and bots perform high-risk inspections while humans oversee and analyze results remotely. Education and training. AR over VR based simulation environments enhance skill development and safety awareness. Benefits of human machine collaboration. Enhance productivity. Machine handle repetitive work, allowing humans to focus on high-value tasks, increase safety, cobots and AI system reduce human exposure to hazards, improve decision-making, real-time data and AI analytics support human judgments, well-being and inclusion, focus shift toward creating fulfilling and ergonomic work environments. Challenge and ethical considerations, trust and transparency ensuring humans can understand and trust AI-driven decisions. Skill transformation workforce must be recycled to collaborate effectively with intelligent systems. Data privacy, sensitivity, biometric, and behavior data must be securely handled. Job identification shift from manual to cognitive and creative rules may disrupt traditional labor markets. Psychological impact, ensuring balance between technological dependency and human autonomy. Future vision. In the Industrial 6 era, the boundary between human and machine will blur. Through AI empathy, modeling neural efficiencies, and emotional intelligence in robots, collaboration will become natural and intuitive. Humans will focus on strategy, creativity, and ethics, while machines manage precision, speed, and data complexity together, forming a symbiotic industrial ecosystem. This collaboration aims to create not just efficient production but a meaningful partnership between human intelligence and machine cognition, leading to balanced, sustainable, and human-centered technological future. Limitation of Industrial 5 and supporting technologies of Industrial 6. Industrial 4 mainly focused on mass production, automation, and smart manufacturing. Industrial 5 later evolved from its emphasizing human machine collaboration and sustainability. Industrial 6 goes beyond both by promoting anti-fragile manufacturing, whereas system not only survive disruptions but also become stronger after them. It envisions a world hyper-connected industries, human digital twins, and sustainable production closely aligned with customer needs and environmental goals. In recent years, researchers, industrial experts, and policymakers have begun to recognize the limitations of Industrial 4 and 5. According to some studies, such as Industrial 4 lack deep integration between digital systems and human collaboration. Although technologies like AI and robotics were introduced, they were not enough to achieve full human machine harmony on or a sustainable industrial system. Similarly, his Galician et al. Pointed out the implementation cost of advanced technologies such as IoT, AI, big data, and robotics in Industry 4 and 5 were extremely high. These made it difficult for small and medium-sized enterprises to adopt them, leading to dissatisfaction and inequality among industries. Industry 5 also faced several challenges and limitations, including high financial cost in manufacturing and policy implementation, lack of standardization and clear regulations for new digital technologies, social and cultural differences in how people accept and adopt to new technologies, difficult in balancing environment and social values with industrial growth, unequal access between large corporations and smaller businessmen, stronger dependency on technology which can increase the risk if system fails. To overcome these issues, countries like Finland have already started preparing strategic plan and research programs such as From Industry X to Industry 6. These initiatives focus on developing new policies, investments, and research directions to help industries move toward the next industrial era. Currently, academic institutions are playing a leading role in exploring and defining Industry 6. Many platforms such as MDPI journals and Journal of Manufacturing System and conferences like World Conferences on Technology Innovations and Entrepreneurship are promoting discussions and research in this field. Challenges in implementing Industrial 6. Achieving the vision of Industrial Revolution 6 requires long-term commitment and collaboration between governments, industries, manufacturers, and policy makers. To make Industry 6 successful, society needs strong research and development, effective policies, and sustainable manufacturing practices that balance economic growth with environmental care. However, implementing Industrial 6 also comes with several major challenges such as managing digital transformation and a fast pace of technological change, high cost of adopting new technologies and upgrading existing systems, shortage of skilled workers and need for recycling and retraining, limited access to capital for developing and applying advanced innovations. Integration issues between industries, research centers, and international organizations. Dependence on advancement networks like 5G and 6G, which are still developing. Despite these obstacles, Industry 6 holds great promise for creating sustainable, intelligent, and human-centered industrial ecosystem. With proper planning, collaboration, and continuous innovation, it can transfer global industries for a better and more balanced future. Definition: Net zero trash is an industrial context, the point at which the industrial system residues solid waste exported off-site to disposal, landfill, uncontrolled dumps, marine leakage is effectively zero because all materials flow are prevented, reused, remanufactured, recycled, or internally or in closed industrial networks, and may unavoidable residuals are rendered bigger with a net zero or net negative life cycles environmental burden. Design for circularity and product life extension. Design decision, modularity, repairability, standard, fastens, compound, standardization can extend product life to X to 5x, greatly reducing virgin material throughput. MCI reflects lifetime extension. Life cycle modeling shows product life extension is among highest impact level for reducing material demand. The industrial symbiosis closed loops practice. Industrial symbiosis can recycle tens of thousands of tons years of residuals and cut off carbon dioxide at scale. Mechanical recycling where equality maintained. Remanufacturing yield larger emissions and material savings. Manufacture anaerobic digestion for organics, biogas, high GHG savings versus landfilling energy yields and GHG avoided vary by feedstock. Thermal VTE in combination with energy recovery thermal efficiency for heat, electricity yield useful at least restore when recycling impossible but life cycle emission must be tightly controlled. Advanced recycling chemical enzymatic. New enzymatic chemical process examples Samsara ecoenzyme for nylon recycling, Estamens polymerization plants can convert mixed commitment polymers to feedstock. Some pilots claim 80-90 conversion to high quality output at scale. Independent life cycle assessment required because some processes emit substantial carbon dioxide or produce fuels rather than closed loop plastics. Use selective adoption supported by LCA and GHC accounting F digital control and AI metrology co-industry capability. Typical technology stock for industrial 6 net zero plant. Design CAD MCI integrated designer IoT plus edge analytics at workstations, material tracking, defect defection, digital twin of product and plant to stimulate closed loop scenario and optimize remanufacturing flows. AI optimize for inventory yield scheduling and waste minimization, hyper automation, on-site valorization units, shredders, depolymerizing and aerobic digestive pyrolysis chemical recycling where LCA validated roadmap and simple implementation milestones. Year 0 to pilot baseline FA product FC assessment digital twin for product 1 and 2 10 to 20% revision via improved segregation plus remanufacturing pilot. Year 25 Deep Low AI optimization plant wide and on-site valorization digesters mechanical recycling target 60 to 80% on-site valorization of industrial residues. Implementation costs are front-loaded equipment, digital system recycling, significant barrier for SMEs, grants, green bonds, and public R&D, reduce capital burden, literature's notes high cost where effective in industry 4, desertification, operational savings from material sustainable, vast disposal avoidance, energy debt risk, UNEP modeling indicates circular waste management could shift global net annual cost for near USD for 640.3 business use only 2025 magnitude economic agreement for systematic transitions. Risk trade-offs and caves must be accounted for advanced chemical recycling pitfall. Many technologies are energy intensive for produced fuels. Life cycle GHC can be worse than primary production. Powered by renewable energy always require cradle to grave LCE recent recycling rate. Reality global circular its low circular reports estimate global circular recycling systematic rebound. Efficiency gains can increase consumption unless policy and business models prevent rebound. Circular policy needed aid. Governance and policy instrumentation is required for scale. Circular procurement by governments to create early markets for remanufactured components, green public financing and de-risking for SMEs grants, consensual loans for circular capex, carbon pricing plus material extraction levies to internationalize virgin extraction, externalize, accelerate circular business cases supported by circularity gap modeling. Example and evidences snapshot. UNEP Global Waste Management Outlook 2024 municipal solid waste was estimated at 2.1 billion tons 2023 and projected to research 3.8 billion tons by 2050. Under BAU circular economy action model could convert rising cost to net economic gains by 2025. Denmark 6 to 62,000 t residual material recycled annually, avoided per year. Real proof for industrial networks reduce exported waste and emissions. Research and measurements genre industrial 6 R&D priorities. LCA and techno-economic assessments for every candidate valorization technology chemical recycling, pyrolysis, enzymatic recycling, standard MCET, implementation and external audit protocols for company and product reporting. AI plus digital twin pilots that show quantification reductions in off-cut scrap growth sectors, regional industry symbiosis, mapping tools and market platforms. Next summary introduction. Next industrial six next generation industrial parallelism that evolve beyond automation, human intelligent machines and nature coexist harmoniously. These revolutions focus on industrial efficiency. Origin and need of Industrial 6. The COVID-19 pandemic exposed major vulnerabilities in global supply chain, production networks, and logistics systems. Industrial 6 was conceptualized to create resistance, achieve sustainability, carbon neutrality, promote digital sovereignty, green innovation, and human-centered production. Next, core philosophy. Industrial 6 is built upon three interconnected foundations human machines, sustainable intelligence, resilient circular economy. Key features human digital twins, hyper-connected ecosystems, artificial intelligence, manufacturing, green factories, fully renewable powered and waste-free production lines, cyber physical integration, use of biological materials, and AI-driven automation in harmony. Next technology, artificial intelligence enabled cognitive automation, decision making, and adaptive learning. Quantum computing solves complex optimization and sustainability problems faster than the classical computers. 3D 4D printers allow customized, sustainable, and biodegradable product design. Digital twins virtual models to stimulate real-time production and predict system failures. Cybersecurity protects digital infrastructure using blockchain and quantum encryption. Edge and cloud computing provides fast decentralization data processing for real-time decision making, sustainability and net zero trash. Industrial 6 provides zero trash and zero emission manufacturing through circular resource utilization. Waste from one process become an input for another, enabling a closed loop ecosystem. Digital sensors and blockchain-based traceability help monitor every material's life cycle. Use of energy, renewable energy, AI-driven waste analyticals, and smart recycling robotics ensure net zero trash production. The global is carbon neutrality by 2050 in alignment with the UN SDGs and ECG framework. Advantages of Industrial 6. Productivity boost. AI and quantum optimization enhancement production efficiency by 30 to 50. Sustainability 7 to 90. Energy efficiency, smart grids and renewable reduce energy use by up to 40%. Customization on demand production and tailored to consumer needs. Empowerment enhance creativity, safety and decision making. Residents entry fragile system adapt and recover faster during global disruptions. Limitations. High implementation cost for IoT, robotics, and AI integration. Limited human machine integration. Focus was mainly on automation. Lack of sustainability and ecological balance. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities due to complex digital ecosystems. Skill gaps among workers for handling advanced systems. Challenges in implementing Industrial 6. High capital requirements for R&D infrastructure, technology and complexity in interoperability, quantum, digital, and biological systems. Skill and education gaps in advanced AI, robotics, and sustainability. Global policy standardization needed for ethical technology governance. Future outlook. Collaboration between governments, academia, and industry is vital. Smart policies promoting sustainable manufacturing, ethical AI use required. Industrial 6 will transform industries into living adaptive ecosystems where machine learn, human innovative, and the planet regenerates. Conclusion. Industrial 6 represent a quantum leap in human progress, merging intelligence, sustainability, and ethics. It envisions net zero circular and human-centric world driven by intelligent machines and empowered people. Ultimately, Industrial 6 goal is to build anti-fragile industrial civilization, one that thrives in uncertainty, respects the planet, and enhances the human life. This is our reference. This is all from about me. Thank you so much.